everyone, so I am doing a couple videos today, so I'll probably look the same in several of my videos. I'm sorry, but I'm too lazy to change my outfit or my lip. I'm just gonna pre-film lots of videos. Today's video is my Boxycharm unboxing. I'm excited to see what is inside of here. Before we get started, if you guys are new here, hey, my name's Liz. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. If you guys want to see what's inside my Boxycharm, then just keep watching. So if you guys are not familiar with Boxycharm, it's a $21 a month subscription service. It comes with 5 full-size beauty items every single month. I've tried out so many different subscription boxes for makeup, and honestly I think that Boxycharm is my favorite. Let's go ahead and open her on up. So here is the little pamphlet that you get, and you do get some coupons on the back. I'll be sure to leave the coupons down in the description bar below if you want to use them, but 20% off to Smashbox and 25% off to Lollipop Los Angeles. The theme for this month is Life of the Party. And then inside of here is all the products and the prices for each product, which I really like because then you know exactly the retail value of your box. And here is this month's box. I am excited. So I'm going to go ahead and pull out the first thing right here. This is the Becca 24-Hour Shine Control. It's the Evermatte Poreless Priming Perfector. I haven't tried this one. I have tried several other primers from her, but I have not tried this one. It is a matte primer, and I'm pretty dry, so I don't typically use matte primers a whole lot. But when I'm wanting to get these pores a little bit more smooth, then I'll definitely go in with one of these. This says that it is 12 milliliters. I feel like this isn't full size, but I want to double check, so I'm just gonna go online really quick. Yeah, so this is actually a mini size, but I think with everything that I have in here, it kind of makes up for it. So this is considered the mini size on Sephora's website. I don't think that I'm gonna open this up and use it because I have a lot of primers. I have a lot of matte primers that I just don't go through. So I think I'm gonna keep this in the box, and I think I'm gonna put it in my little stash for giveaway items. One of you guys can have it in the future when I do a giveaway. The next item in here is the Lollipop Los Angeles Party Animal Palette. I only have one item from Lollipop Los Angeles. I have the Nudie Patootie palette. I've used it once, and I think it's really, really pretty. I have a friend who asked if I would do a tutorial and review on it, and I definitely will. Let me know in the comments down below if you want to see a little review on this. So since I've only used that once, I can't say too much about her formula, but this is the Party Animal Palette, and it looks like this. I think it's super, super fun, really pretty, bold colors. They look super, super vibrant. I think it looks great. It's just not my thing, I guess. I'm just not one to use a whole lot of bold colors. I already have, you know, some bold colors mixed in with other palettes. I just don't think I need this. I will say that the packaging with this is pretty awesome in my opinion. It feels really heavy, so I like that. The packaging is gorgeous. So I just don't think that I'm gonna get any use out of it. So again, awesome for you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and throw this in my little stash of giveaways. Apparently this is just a giveaway box month. I would do swatches and everything with it, but because I want to throw it in the giveaway, I'm not going to touch it so that it is perfect for you guys. If you want to see swatches of it, I'll go ahead and leave Lollipop's video down below where she reveals the palette, and you can see the swatches on there. So the Lollipop Los Angeles palette does retail for $19. The next thing in the box, this is a Smashbox Be Legendary Liquid Metal. So I'm assuming this is a metal liquid lipstick, which again, I don't wear. I've just been getting into this. I mean, I have a lot of makeup, and I realize that I have a lot of makeup, and so I just have not been wanting to buy things that I know that I'm not going to use. I really only want to buy things that I know that I love. I know that I'll get a lot of use out of. The matte primer I'm not going to get use out of. The palette is gorgeous, but I know I'm not going to reach for it. All right, here it is. And it does look very metallic and shimmery. I am so bummed. Okay, well, I know I'm not going to use this. Kind of a bummer for me that, I don't know. maybe the whole party animal theme is just not for me. I'm not a party animal. I'm a stay-at-home mom. This is about as, you know, glam as I get when I am doing videos. I don't wear this kind of makeup on an everyday basis. So this for me is just, I mean, it may be something that I use during a video once, maybe twice. So I just don't want to waste any more product. So again, I'm going to go ahead and throw that in the giveaway box for you guys. So it does look like these do retail for $24. Okay, the next thing I'm pulling out, this is from Bang Beauty. This is a gel eyeliner, which I've actually been liking a lot recently too. And this is in the shade Chocolate. Ooh, so it's not just like a regular black eyeliner, which is fun. I do like more of the natural kind of looks, and I feel like a brown eyeliner would do a lot better than black, just a lot less harsh, I guess. So I'm just going to do a little swatch of this because I know I'm going to keep this. So it does just look like a nice brown eyeliner, which I don't mind at all. I actually think this is pretty cool, and I think the packaging is really nice as well. And the Bang Beauty eyeliner retails for $22. Okay, so the next thing in here is a couple masks from Wander Beauty. I actually already have a ton of these. I got them in an Allure box and I liked them so much I went and purchased several others of them. So I'm actually pretty stocked on these for a while. I don't use them every day. I use them maybe once or twice a week, but I actually have quite a few. So this is just a giveaway box to all of you guys. I'm going to throw these in my box for my giveaway items. I really enjoy them. I think that you guys will like them too. I just have so many right now. I don't see myself running out of them for several months, and so I know I could keep these, but again, I just don't want to pile up all the products in case I stop using them. Whatever the case may be, it'll be for you guys. Here's a gift. Here you go. So the price for the Wander Beauty masks are $11. And the last thing I got, which seems to be making quite a mess in my box, the lid was not on all the way, so that's lovely. All right, this is an NCLA treatment, So Rich. It's a cuticle oil. I don't use cuticle oils very often. I mean, I don't even have one, so it's probably why I don't use one, but it retails for $18. I don't even really know what cuticle oil does, to be honest, but it just says there's vitamin E infused cuticle oil. It nourishes and softens your nails. So there is that. I'm not like super thrilled about this, but I don't have it. I can add it down there with my nail polishes. And when I want to use it, I'll use it, I guess. So my total value came to $111, which isn't bad for a Boxycharm box. We've definitely gotten a lot higher than that in the past. I've gotten to like $170 or maybe even $180 worth of product in my boxes before. So this isn't horrible. I mean, considering I only spent $21, this is really great. The box itself, if I liked bolder colors, if I had dry skin, and I liked metallic lipstick, then this would probably be a really amazing box. But for me personally, I'm just not feeling this box. I'm basically keeping 2 items, giving away 4 of them. I don't know. It's just not my favorite box, to be honest. I'm just not that crazy bold makeup wearer, I guess. I'm just more of kind of a natural, everyday, nude kind of a girl. So if you are into those kind of products, then this would be a fantastic box for you. For me personally, it's just not my fave. Let me know what you guys thought of this box down in the comments down below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thank you guys so much again for watching. Definitely subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you next time. Bye.